We're on the Sony stand with Jan Samon Ligonier from Sony Europe, and we're just going to find out a little bit about Sony's response to the slew of new full-frame systems that have been announced in the last few weeks from Canon, Nikon, and now from the L-Mount Alliance.
So, hi Nigel. I don't know if it's a matter of answer, because Sony has been on this market since now 5 years, and the proof is that Sony was right to be there, and now many manufacturers trying to come in. But we have been there 5 years, so our technology is really in advance compared to those. We are talking about, of course, our autofocus system, autofocus, and as you may have seen in our press conference, we have been talking about AI, and especially linked with the autofocus. So today our positioning that we have had in the high-end market is really giving the fruit of all the efforts we have done. We are now number one in full frame, so it's a very, very good position we are at. And especially our lens lineup. So here people can enjoy our lenses and the magnificent lens lineup with 30 full frame native lenses in our range, with a recent addition of the 24mm and the 400 not so long time ago. This technology of lenses is today also the proof that customer can enter with great confidence in Sony system.
And of course you have 12 new lenses announced that you're going to be developing next year as well.
Yeah, that's right. We are aiming to 60 lenses in the E-mount in the near future. So that's also the proof, the ability of Sony to quickly grow in terms of our lens lineup, and also the response of our professional photographers is fantastic. We have so many new photographers joining the E-mount system. So I think that's really reassuring for them to see that Sony is the leading brand in full frame today.
And do you think you can maintain that position and continue to tempt Canon and Nikon DSLR users to buy the Sony system instead of their own new mirrorless systems?
Yeah, definitely. As I said, today the advance we have in terms of technology in autofocus tracking, and also autofocus tracking in high-speed bursts, 10 frame or 20 frame per second. And on the booth here today, we are so confident that all our latest full-frame camera are facing the highest speed action in full-frame shooting with autofocus and eye detection. And we are the only brand today that is able to do that. So, yeah, we are completely confident in the future, definitely.
Fantastic. Okay, thank you. Come back for more videos on Photokina 2018.